What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to tutorial 7, and in this tutorial we'll be going to see how to do some sort of styling for bouquet plot. So till now whatever you have seen in the border, if you notice carefully, then probably you guys already seen that in the border we haven't done anything. So in this tutorial we'll see how to do some sort of customization or how to put your own color or maybe some spacing throughout the left, right, top and bottom border. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's move on to the next slide. So the next slide is always for us what is bouquet. So usual definition, the next thing is the link. Guys, please start reading this link. If you are not doing, then probably you should start doing this thing, cause there are so many things are available in bouquet, and I'm not gonna cover each and every method and each and every attributes properties. So it is it's always a good idea to spend some time with the documentation of the product or whatever Python modules or libraries you are working on. Okay, so let me move on to the next slide, that is border styling, and the last slide will be seen. So no more theory, so let's open our Jupyter notebook. So first thing first, we'll write this is tutorial 7. So let me put something tutorial 7, border styling in bouquet plot. Okay, so that is the context or topic. Okay, this is done. So let me just create some rows or cell. Next thing is from bouquet dot plotting import figure, then show, and last thing will be output. Probably why this is not coming, yeah, it's coming. Okay, let me execute this thing. This is done. So now what we'll do, we'll try to create one test plot object. So it will be test underscore plot. Okay, why it is not coming with the underscore? So here it will be figure. Okay, next thing will be output file, and we'll give one name, tutorial 7.html. okay, next thing will be test underscore plot dot line. For us till now whatever glyphs we have seen, so glyphs means this geometrical shape, so in this case this is line, so that is known as glyphs in bouquet. Okay, so 2 4 7 maybe 2 4 6 8, then 10 20 40 10 20 40 maybe 50. Okay, and after that we'll put some sort of color, line underscore color, maybe let's give it green is fine. Okay, and after that show, and there we'll put test plot. So this is actually without any style on the border, without border styling or border style. So I'm just doing it just to make you guys understand that what actually I'm trying to achieve. Okay, so if I open this thing, if I execute this thing, so there will be new tab open, one new tab will be open over here, and the name will be tutorial 7.html, and inside that HTML there will be a line plot with this sort of like coordinates. Okay, so let's execute this thing, see it is coming. So we got this thing. So now what is border? So border means this part and this part. Okay, so here right now no such borders available, so we'll put some border now. Okay, so let me just copy this thing over here and with border style. So what will happen now, we'll put this thing, and after that we'll put something like test plot dot. Now how to do that? For that you have to read the documentation. If you don't read the documentation, then you will not be able to do it. Okay, so first attribute is border underscore fill underscore color. So we'll put something maybe I can put something blue, let's see, or maybe I'm not sure, sky blue, let's see. see I got nice sky blue color. But now if you see, this is evenly like spaced, like here and here, but here it is a bit the thickness is lesser in this side, but here it is actually a big product. Okay, so what I'll do, we'll change something. So we'll make this thing like what do you say, like something more in the left hand side. Okay, so for this thing there are other attributes are available, so I'll show you guys how to do that. Okay, so for that, actually what you have to put, test plot border underscore mean underscore left. Okay, so and here you have to assign something. So maybe let's put 30. Okay, so see what is happening. Plot border, why this is not coming? Okay, I just did a mistake. It will be min underscore border underscore left. Okay, so see, this is actually 30. So what I'll do, we'll just try to make it a bit maybe 70. Let's try this thing with 70. Why this is not coming? This is also strange. Main border 80. This is not coming. Let me check why this is not coming. Okay, let me close this thing, start this thing from here. Okay, this is here 70. Let's try this thing now. Okay, so I just set this thing for 70, but this is not moving. I'm not sure why. What is the reason for this thing? Maybe just thinking. Okay, what I'll do, maybe here actually plot, maybe I need to set some width. Let's give it to 400. Sorry, not here. We'll see. By default there is some spacing, so by default it will be 40 pixel actually. Okay, means if you don't put any this thing, it will be always 40. Okay, here is actually a catch. I did a mistake with underscore, so that is what is coming. So that is why. So I always do some mistakes, so don't worry out, guys. So let's run this thing. So it's coming. So I thought initially that I need to create the plot a bit bigger, then only I'll get this thing. So that is not the case. So I was not doing properly, so that is why. So let me add some other properties as well. So next thing will be right. So let's make right also 70. See, right also 70, and now we'll give like uniform space for top and bottom. So let's put top for 40. Let's run this thing. See, it looks nice now. Okay, and after that, now put 40 in bottom as well. Okay, so this is a very easy thing. Fine, it looks nice now. Okay, so what are the important things are required? So these things are required. So what I'll do, I'll just put all this thing here. Okay, so whenever in the future you guys will open this link, easily able to understand what is actually meant by all this attribute, and what are the required attribute, and what is the actually significance of that attribute. So left means some spacing from the left side depending on the value. Right means the same thing but from the right hand side. Top means same thing from top, and bottom means the same thing as well. And for fill color means it is going to fill some color. Definitely there will be some alpha, but I don't think so that's very important at this moment, because that is not new. You guys already know what is the significance of alpha. So hopefully you guys are able to figure this out. So tutorial is completed. Let me just take a screenshot of this thing. Okay, that is important actually, or else there is no point of creating the slide. So just give me 1 minute, then I'll explain this thing one more time. So where is the screenshot? I have so many screenshots. Okay, and next is the output. Output is also required because so many of you already requested for the output, so I think I should put the output as well. So let me just take a copy paste of this thing. Okay, picture, insert picture from file. Same thing I need to do it. Okay, so this is done. Fine, cool. So that's it from the slide point of view. So let me just explain this thing once again from the beginning. So here actually, guys, no, I did nothing. Actually, it's very default setup, and default setup means you should not put any spacing, but by default it will give you 40 pixel. But now if I use all this attribute, it will give you some color, some spacing from the left side, some spacing from the right side, some spacing from the top, some spacing from the bottom, and eventually we'll get this output. So again, there is no rocket science behind this attribute. I know, because I did some sort of investment from my day-to-day time by reading this documentation. So all magic will happen if you start reading the documentation. So but nowadays there are so many tutorials are available, so it will be very easy. But when I started learning bokeh, that time only few tutorials are available, so I have no other option, only reading the documentation. So that actually helped me to learn this thing very fast. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it for today, and hopefully we'll upload a few more videos in the coming weeks. But before I close this tutorial, I just want to ask you guys, please provide some feedback or comment, and also if you have some other use cases or ideas or any other what do you say, like in the content point of view, if you want us to cover some other topics from the basic bokeh thing, you can also ask those things. Maybe already some of you have started working in data science project, and for them some topics are not clear on bokeh. Probably you can also request that as well. Apart from this thing, if you guys are having any difficulties to understand something, or whether you are comfortable of with the topic or the way of teaching, please provide us feedback. We'll try to improve our qualities always. And if someone is not familiar with this playlist, or maybe watching this thing for the first time, guys, please go ahead and start watching from the beginning. That will actually help you. Okay, so enough of talking, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.